With this perfect shower routine, if you follow it step by step, I guarantee you, you will step out that shower in under 10 minutes, looking like one handsome ass Chris Hemsworth. I'm about to work miracles right now, starting with number one. You start with the right temperature. The reason most of you are looking crusty all day is because you shower with boiling hot water that dries up your skin, leaves it all ashy, cracked. You look terrible. It's destroying your skin. You do that over time, over decades, of course, you are killing your appearance. You want to do it with the right temperature, which is usually lukewarm. Yes, cold is great, but for most of you, that's uncomfortable. But if you can find a nice lukewarm temperature, you're gonna get the best of both worlds, where it's gonna be a comfortable experience while also salvaging your skin to make sure you're not overly stripping the oils. Number two, set a timer. This is crucial. Too many of you are spending too much time in the shower. You think this is your relaxation mode. So not only are you wasting water, which is money and damage to the environment, but also you are damaging your skin. The longer you are in the shower, the more you are over drying it. So I like to set a timer. At this point, it's like an internal timer. I already know, boom, 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 boom. If you do the whole thing fast enough, you'll be out in about 5 to 6 minutes tops. But if you're just starting, put a timer for about 10 minutes. You're not, according to every dermatologist, you are not supposed to spend more than 10 minutes in the shower a day. All right, so we got the right temperature, we got the timer going on. As soon as you step in the shower, put on a whitening strip. You're not gonna do this every day. You should do this at least once a week or once every 2 weeks, but this is a good hack to do if you wanna look better. I've always told you whiter teeth look amazing, and the hassle of having to put a whitening strip outside of the shower and then you're walking around with that, you can't talk, saliva's coming out all over the place. It's a complete hassle. This is a cool hack because it no longer becomes an issue because you're showering, you don't even notice it's in your mouth. If you're drooling, it just washes away anyways. So it makes the entire process seamless. This takes me to number 4. You start with your hair. You wanna start right on top. And when you use your shampoo and conditioner, you only gotta follow 2 rules. 1, make sure it's not a 2-in-1. You're killing yourself. And 2, make sure that it has no sulfates or parabens. These 2 things are usually what end up over drying your hair and also causing hair loss down the line. If you can avoid these 2 things, you're gonna keep the health of your hair and ensure that the hair looks great the rest of the day. So when you do shampoo and condition, it's easy. You shampoo first, obviously you wash it all out, then you condition, but you don't wash it off. This is why you start with the top. When you condition, leave the conditioner in your hair. I do this even with my hair that I barely have because I buzzed it all off, but I like to keep my hair as soft as possible, so I leave the conditioner in my hair to allow it to absorb some of those nutrients while I move on to the rest of the body. I start to wash my face. I always have my facial cleanser inside the shower. Again, when I talk about all these grooming tips, you would think it takes me about an hour to get them all done. I try to do them as quick as possible when I'm showering. By the time I'm done, I'm fully groomed, and I guarantee you it didn't even take me 5 to 6 minutes, this is why I say there's no excuse. I grab my facial cleanser, and then I grab my facial scrubber. This is our new heat grooming facial scrubber. If you see, it's super tiny. It's actually kind of cute. But the point is, you don't want to just use your fingertips because your fingertips aren't efficient at really getting into those pores and taking out all that dirt and gunk. This new facial scrubber, it's a manual one, and the cool part is that it gives you more control and it allows you to really get into those pores and take out all of those dirt. Those little bristles are way more efficient than your fingertips, so it makes the whole process easier. So right after the shampoo and conditioner still in the hair, you move right to your face, you get that done, you wash it off, you're good to go. If you guys want to check out the facial scrubber, I'm actually going to do a sweet bundle for you because I want you to have the perfect shower routine. And I got everything for the perfect shower routine. I'm going to hook you up with our shower bundle, which is our body wash, our shampoo, our conditioner, which yes, no parabens, no sulfates, I got you. And then I'm also going to include our body scrubber and our new facial scrubber. So all of that plus our silicone organizer set. So I want you to have an amazing shower experience, and like myself, I want you to be as efficient as possible. I want you to have everything there so you're boom, 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 and you're out as quick as possible. If you guys check out that entire bundle, not only are you gonna have the perfect shower routine, I'm also gonna make it as affordable as possible. If you click the link down below, I'm gonna give you 50% off on the entire thing. Bro, that's an absolute steal, and I'm telling you, your showers will never be the same. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Now we move on to number 6, which is the rest of your body. We've done everything up down to your neck. I do suggest you use the facial scrubber on your neck area as well. But now when you do your body, you want to make sure you get a body wash that doesn't sud up as much. You don't want as much bubbles and suds occurring on your body. The more a body wash suds, it's usually a sign that it's a cheaper body wash, and on top of that, it'll dry out your skin. It takes off more of those natural oils from your skin. You want a body wash that's light on your skin, while also does a great job of removing some of that dirt. Again, when you do body wash, you do also want to use some sort of loofah or body scrubber. Your hands and fingertips aren't a great tool to really get all that dirt and all that dead skin off your body. You need some sort of scrubber, and doing a circular motion is great to really get all that off and avoid some of that body acne that a lot of you deal with. And that's it, bro. You're pretty much done. At this point, I would wash out all my conditioner. It's been about 6 minutes tops. Then I take out my whitening strip. You're chilling. You can wash out your mouth, and then if you want to, you can even brush your teeth. If you didn't do the whitening strip, you grab your toothbrush, grab your toothpaste, brush your teeth, you're out the shower. And under 6 minutes, 10 if you're slow, you've done a complete grooming experience. And I promise you, the more you do this, the easier, the faster it gets, and the handsomer you become. It's a guarantee, bro. It's a guarantee.